In this video, I'll show you how to reset the microprocessor on your Pioneer in-dash receiver. Even though your particular in-dash receiver may be a 1-DIN model and may or may not have a built-in CD player, the button operation in this demonstration is identical for the following Pioneer Audio in-dash receiver models: MVH-S320BT and 322BT, MVH-S522BS, MVH-S720BHS, DEH-S4200BT and 4220BT, DEH-S5200BT, DEH-S6220BS and 6220BS, DEH-S7200BHS. If your in-dash receiver ever starts acting just weird, just doing some weird things, strange display, doesn't operate the way that it used to operate just a little while ago, maybe something's gone wrong and you need to reset the microprocessor. It's a really simple operation. The first thing we'll do is remove the detachable face, and here's the microprocessor reset button right here. Now, you'll need a paper clip or some other small point to get inside that small hole, and we'll just do this. Press that in, and I can feel the button press in, and that has reset the microprocessor. Now, all I need to do is put the face back on. The system will power up, and you can see that my clock has reset to 12 p.m., so I know that the microprocessor has been reset, and I can expect normal operation from my receiver.